Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the HyperX Cloud 2 to NGENUITY in 2026. Now, HyperX Cloud 2 has limited support with HyperX NGENUITY, so the connection depends on how you are using the headset. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are using the USB sound card that comes with the headset. If you connect the headset using only the 3.5 mm jack, NGENUITY will not detect it. So you need to plug the USB sound card into your PC and then you need to connect your headset to it. After doing so, simply open your Microsoft Store. Over here, search for HyperX NGENUITY. When you are able to find the software, simply click on the option of Get. Wait for some time until it installs on your device. Now, once the installation is completed, you just have to run the software. Now, after that, after connecting it through the USB, simply wait for the software to detect your device. However, it is also important to note that HyperX Cloud 2 does not fully appear as a customizable device in NGENUITY like the newer models. Even if detected, the Cloud 2 is very limited or no customization options inside NGENUITY. This means that you won't get advanced controls like EQ presets or mic tuning through the software. So that's how you can basically connect it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.